Portland Cement ASTM-C150 Type 1 is one of the most commonly used cements in construction. Known as general-purpose cement, it's perfect for projects where specialized cement isn't required. In this video, we'll quickly cover what Type 1 cement is, its chemical makeup, and how it's made. What is Portland Cement ASTM-C150 Type 1? 30 seconds. Type 1 cement is hydraulic, meaning it hardens when mixed with water, making it ideal for most construction needs. It's called general purpose because of its versatility, suitable for foundations, pavements, and buildings. It meets ASTM standards, ensuring quality and consistency across projects. Chemical composition, 1 minute. Type 1 cement's strength comes from its key components. Tricalcium silicate, C3S, provides early strength, helping structures set quickly. Dicalcium silicate, C2S, contributes to strength over time, ensuring durability. Tricalcium aluminate, C3A, aids in early hydration but can be susceptible to sulfate attack, so Type 1 is not ideal for sulfate-rich environments. Tetracalcium aluminoferrite, C4AF, adds color and helps in reducing production costs. Gypsum controls the setting time, preventing the cement from hardening too quickly during use. Manufacturing process, 1 minute. The production of Type 1 cement involves raw material extraction. Limestone and clay are the primary materials. Clinker production. These materials are heated in a kiln to form clinker. Grinding. Clinker is ground into a fine powder with added gypsum to control setting time. Packaging and distribution. The cement is then packed and sent to construction sites. Applications. Type 1 cement is used in foundations and slabs, ensures strong and stable base structures. Pavements and sidewalks, durable surfaces that can handle heavy traffic. Bridges and infrastructure, essential for long-lasting high-load structures. Precast concrete, used for beams, panels, and other prefabricated elements. Conclusion. Portland Cement ASTM-C150 Type 1 is a reliable choice for various construction projects. Its balanced properties make it versatile, strong, and durable, ensuring that your projects stand the test of time. Whether it's for residential, commercial, or infrastructure projects, Type 1 cement is a material you can trust.